Arimi a mwingi ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Kitui matigitwo matarena wa gwika tiga kwandika aruti wira migunda-ini yao kurira ngigĩ iria ihobaniirie migunda yao. Arutani aingĩ makoretwo makiandika makiria ma aruti wira atatu migunda-ini yao niguo kurira ngigĩ ici tigathukangie mimera yao riria mari mathukuru-ini magithomithia.
The community is also engaging with the teachers to release their pupils in schools. So over the last 4 days, we have had a number of schools in affected areas where the children are supporting people to scare the deadly pets, which again is uncalled for and unexpected and something we do not expect.
Mwende Kironzo uria ni murimi mwena uyu augite ati kwa ihinda ria thikũ igĩrĩ ngigĩ ici ikoretwo mugunda-ini gwake ona gũtuĩka ni arahotire guthara muhio ria arari naguo mugunda-ini.
Tunafuna sababu ya kuongopa hizi nzige. Wakati wa kufuna bado ndio sasa tunafuna hizi mawele. Sasa tukifuna unajua sijakauka, tunafuna alafu tunaweka chini inakauka tunapeleka kwa store.
Kilonzo Musili uria ni murimi wa guku augite ngigĩ ici cirehete hathara nene kuona matithiaga mawĩra-inĩ maingĩ niguo mahote kuhurana na ngigĩ ici.
Mimea yetu ile tulikuwa tunapanda na pia kusimamisha shughuli zetu za kuchunga ng'ombe na kutafuta chakula.
Ni morĩtie thirikari ethe njĩra ya kũhĩta ngigĩ ici iria imareheire hathara nene.
So I'm calling upon the government to move with speed and ensure my people are protected because we don't know where else we can turn to.
That chemical did not work as per our expectations. Then they changed to a different chemical, which we understand it was more effective than the first one. But unfortunately, we understand they have run short of the chemical, and we have been promised that by the end of either today or tomorrow, the exercise will be back again.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kibaki.